through the door into the chapel. I think this is our place.
Here on the corner?
Yes.
Well, there's one way to find out. I'm going to call the gate.
Yes. Let's see.
Hey-da.
Look at that. This is us.
Woo. Sun is bright.
Sun is heavy, eh?
Yep, Ammabed.
Ammabed, this is it. This is where we parked our little quid. It's going to be under a beautiful shelter this evening. This is our accommodation. Welcome. May all who come as guests leave as friends. Such a cute, beautiful little place. We even got a TV tonight, air conditioner. This air conditioner will cool down this place in no time. Little kitchen tucked away here. Check out this shower though. Check out this shower. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, it's that time of the evening again. It's time to hit the sack, get ready for tomorrow morning when we hit the road again. But yeah, we're just going to have a little snack which we bought at the local deli. Let me show you. So what we're having for supper tonight is just a toasted bacon, cheese and eggs sandwich and a normal chicken mayo sandwich. So that's it.
Yep.
We'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning. We're still lying in bed. I just hopped out this morning to make us some coffee. We bought ourselves some blueberry muffins for breakfast.
Little on the lazy side this morning.
Totally, don't want to get up. Had such a lekker rest last night. Yes, our blueberry muffins and our coffee. What a nice stay we had. Time to go.
Yep.
Can you open the gate for us, please? That'll help.
That'll help.
There we go. I really enjoyed the stay here.
Yeah, we had a good night's sleep.
Yes, I slept like a
I didn't want to get up
baby.
this morning though. That's a bit lazy today.
Interesting thing, I love to have my morning shower, and out of control
Of anyone.
of anybody, the whole town doesn't have water this morning. Shame.
Yeah.
Our hosts carried buckets of water and everything for us. It was crazy, yeah. But at least we had a wash, brushed our teeth, got ready for the day.
Yeah, that happens, eh?
Yeah, it does happen.
Yeah. So are we going to see one or two more things in Caledon?
Yes. You said there's that interesting thing in the one road you want to go and see.
Well, we passed it yesterday, and because there were cars behind us, we couldn't stop.
Yeah.
I just wanted to see if it is a sinkhole or if it's roadworks, because it's ginormous.
Yeah. But they are working on it, you can see, yeah.
I was just wondering.
Wow.
A leaking pipe in the middle of the road.
Yep, it must have been, because looks like there's water pipes going across to give the different houses water.
Oh,
Okay,
I know
yeah.
nothing about water pipes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then 7 kilos outside of Caledon, apparently there's a very nice venue that I would like to have a peep at. I know we don't have a lot of time, but
Let's go and do
can we
that.
squeeze it in?
Yes, we can. Die Woud, 400 meters.
We heard it's beautiful there, so
Yes.
I'd love to see.
Myself.
Die Woud, the forest. Let's go have a check it out.
This is a nice sign, eh? Wow.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, we have to go in to walk around.
Yeah. Public parking entrance. Have to walk through this place. It is stunning. This glass building. Wow. Under the tree canopy. This is beautiful. Look at chandelier. Apparently there's a chapel around here somewhere. An open air chapel. Stunning. Through the door into the chapel. And this is where you stand and you get married. Crazy. Really beautiful. These are chapels. Yeah, this is a chapel here. You walk through this into the chapel and you get married here. can also see them draping everything around here. And there could be a little stream if you arrange it properly. I don't know. That's the ladies and gents. Wow, look at this. I think this is where the party happens. You get married there, you come and you have a jaw here. Wow. Incredible. These guys have really gone way beyond. I'm really glad we came around here.
What does
That's where you drive in with the limousine when they bring the bride. Just want to quickly show you. They drive up here.
The limousine.
And then you get off. The bride gets out here and she walks down this trail to the open air chapel down there.
Wow.
It's beautiful. No, very friendly people here.
Fantastic. Well, they've got a beautiful place.
Yeah, stunning, stunning, stunning.
Okay, so now it's time to leave the area, right?
Yes. Just want to fill up with petrol and then we'll hit the road.